Guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing the slime challenge. It's like a putty challenge. How do you open it? Oh, the putty always pop out. Oh, the putty is so good. It feels like ink. Oh my goodness, it's Chuck taking over. Maybe it is an ink. I don't know. Oh. Oh, look. Hey guys. Wait, ink's everywhere on my body. If you touch this, guys, you can't touch a baby. And I got my whole family's fighting for like 2 minutes ago. Now they're joking around. And so, putty is ink, I bet. It looks like ink. It felt like ink. And look. People, look. I could do this, look. Look. I could put my fingers into one. Wait. Okay. Into. Oh, the ink broke. I'm calling it ink. Ink's not working. So I can't do it. So come back for more. Subscribe. Bye.